What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to join a network marketing company and rank up in 1 year. Now, I wanted to shoot this video because I want you to be real careful about the network marketing company that you decide to join. Now, there are a lot of companies out there. You have the option to choosing whichever one you want, but I want to just put some precautionary thoughts in your head that, so you'll be sure of the company that you decide to join. Now, I am a member of a network marketing company, and I will share that with you at the end of this video if you stick around, and I will show you how to get started as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move on in this presentation. First thing you want to do is choose a company that matches your interests. Are you into fitness? Are you into weight loss? Are you into finances? Whatever the case may be, you need to find a network marketing company that matches your interest, something that you would be interested in sharing with others, okay? Next, you want to research the company's owners and the products and services, okay? Make sure that the company owners are reputable, not someone who started a network marketing company here, it failed, and they started something else, 2 or 3 times, because the products that they were selling or had their reps selling was bogus, or something like that. So make sure you check out the company's owners and the products and services. Make sure the services are good. Make sure the products are good as well. Choose a great sponsor and a team with excellent support. Make sure you choose a sponsor that doesn't have a history of deserting the people they bring into the business. Now, there are a lot of people out there like that, and sadly, you have to be careful because it's really hard to tell, who's who in this game, simply because, they'll court you, they'll date you, they right there with you all the time until they get you signed up, and then they play Casper on you, Casper the ghost, boof, they gone. So you want to make sure you have a great sponsor, and make sure also that the team that your sponsor is a part of is a team that's not promoting, several different things, just out there promoting this, that, and the other. Okay, you want to be focused on the business that you join. Learn and apply the strategies that your team has in place. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. If they already have something that's working, that's producing results for them and their team, okay, just get plugged in and do the same thing they are doing, and also plug in your team members as well, okay? You want to know about the marketing system, okay? Is it simple, easy to use? Is it affordable? Okay, the marketing system is going to play an important part in your business because you want to be capturing leads, you want to be following up with people, but you don't want a complicated system, okay? You want something that is simple to set up. Once you get it set up, it's easy to use, and then not only easy to use, but it has to be affordable. You don't want to be, paying extra money for something that you can get for a lesser price somewhere else. Now, I understand that a lot of companies, that you join, they may charge you $200-300 just for the starter kit. Okay, then you have to pay $100, just for the auto ship of the products or whatever, and then you may have to pay $50 to $100 for a marketing system. You don't want to be doing that. Okay, you're already out of money and you haven't even made any money. Okay, but that's just the way some companies are. If you're sure that you can do it, then by all means go ahead on and join. Okay, get signed up. Once you're in and you start recruiting people, you start sharing your business opportunity, plug your new business partners into the system, okay? Make sure they get their system set up and going so they will be ready to rock and roll as well. Introduce your new members, your new business partners to the team, okay? Be a good sponsor. Introduce them to the team so they will, get to know who everybody is and make new relationships and build new friendships with your team members as well. And don't worry about, anybody trying to, pull the wool over your eyes. They're already in the business with you. You want them to have as much help as they can possibly get. Okay. Plug them into the support group, which will most likely be on Facebook, which are in Facebook groups. Okay. Plug them into the group or groups, however many that you have. You don't want to get them in too many groups. Just plug them into one or two. And even if you want, you can plug them into the chat groups as well, but make sure they mute the notification because they will be bombarded, with notifications all day long, and you don't want that. You'll have people, leaving the chat group. But make sure you plug them into the support group. Do this for every team member, okay? Support your team personally. Don't be that sponsor that ghosts on everybody, that becomes a cricket on everybody. Be there for your team personally. Make sure they have your phone number. Make sure they can contact you, on Facebook if they have any questions. Now, I know there are going to be times that you may not be able to be there. You may not be able to answer your phone. You may not be able to get there quickly, but that's what the support group is for. Make sure your team knows that, hey, if you can't get a hold of me, get with the support group. Ask your questions in the group. Somebody is going to answer. More likely, if you have a great support group, then you're going to get several different answers, and they all should basically be the same answer. So everybody's going to pitch in and help you, okay? Rinse, repeat, and duplicate. The key to making, to really growing in your network marketing company and ranking up in your network marketing company is actually rinsing and repeating and duplicating what your team already has in place. The system, the traffic, whatever it is, you just rinse and repeat, because here it is. What took you, whatever it took you to get your first person, you do the same thing to get your second, your third, your fourth, your fifth, and just keep the ball rolling, okay? Duplication is the key. Without team duplication, then you will not have success, because you want everybody on your team doing rinsing, repeating, and duplicating. Remember that, okay? So those are the things that I have for you today. Now, if you're actively looking to join a network marketing company, then I have the perfect company for you, or in my eyes, the perfect company. It may not be the perfect one to somebody else, but it is to me. Now, if you said yes, then I want to invite you to join our network marketing company, and here's what you will get. You're going to get access to our free training, which is a $2,500 value, access to our free app, which is $1,000 value, access to our free marketing system, $30 per month value, because some marketing systems out there is $95, $97 per month, $50 per month, and our system is completely free. It's not even $30 per month. It's completely free, okay? You get access to our free support group, $19.95 per month. Okay, why did I put a value on that? Simply because there are some gurus, some top network marketers that charge you $19.95 per month to be a part of their support group, their training group. And so we give this to you absolutely free. You get access to our free weekly webinars, which is priceless, simply because these webinars help you seal the deal with the new person that you bring in. You can invite them to a webinar or to one of our webinars that we hold nightly, okay? And we help close your sales for you, okay? We help you. Not only that, you will also get free leads to help you grow your business at a $500 value, okay? We are spending money, our own money, to help you get leads to grow your business. Now, that does not mean that you don't do any work, okay? Because if you're not working, then we just cut off the lead source for you, okay? But if your team below you is working, they will get the leads. You will not. It's that simple. We place you in our team rotator, okay, which is a $250 value. You're also placed in my personal link rotator, okay, which is a $250 value. And you get a 1 hour one-on-one Zoom meeting with me personally, which I value my time, which is really more valuable than this. But I say $100 value. Okay. That's just me, but I'm going to give you an hour of my time to help you get things set up to help you get going in the right direction, so you'll have everything you need to get going so you can rank up. Okay, now the total value of this is $4,649.95. Okay, that's the value of this. When you total all of that up, this is what you get. Okay, and don't forget the price list, the weekly webinars. I can't even put a price tag on how valuable that is to anybody's business. Okay, so now you may be saying to yourself, okay, that's fine, Richard, that's great. Well, how much is this going to cost me? How much is it going to cost me to get the free training, the free app, the marketing system, the support group, the weekly webinar, the leads, the team rotator, your rotator, and the meeting with you? Okay, how much is this going to cost me? Well, if I charge you, $500 to get started, or even $200 to get started, would that be valuable to you? Don't you think that would, be reasonable price? Well, today I'm going to tell you, you're not going to get it for $500 or $200. You can join today for $19.95, and it's only $34.95 per month to maintain it. Okay, that's it. Remember, all of this you get screenshot that. The free training, $2,500 value, free app, $1,000 value, free marketing system, $30 per month value, free support group, $19.95 per month value, weekly webinars, priceless, leads to grow your business, $500 value, placed in the team rotator, $250 value, my rotator, $250, and a one-on-one Zoom meeting with me, $100 value, totaling $4,649.95. Today you can get started for $19.95, and it's only going to cost you $34.95 per month. Now, if you're ready to get started, I want you to join one of my team members by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry, if you join one of my team members, whoever you join, you are going to be a part of the team. You're still going to get everything that you see here because they have access to it. I have access to it. You're going to get access to it. Okay, so just click the link in the description. Get started today. If you found value in this video, like this video, share the video, and also comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My number will be in the description below. Okay, also you can contact me on Facebook to help you get started right now today. Go ahead and click the link in the description. Get started for $19.95. And remember, 30 days later, you'll be paying $34.95 per month. Okay, so click the link in the description. Go ahead and get started today, and I will see you inside of our network marketing company, and we're going to help you rank up within 1 year. Hopefully, if you're coachable, if you're teachable, we'll help you do it in less time than that. So that's how to join a network marketing company and rank up in 1 year. I will see you on the inside. Click the link in the description right now. Thank you. Have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.